Track 2. Conversation 1.
Good evening, Willow Tree Hotel. How can I help?
Hello, I'd like to make a reservation in your restaurant for next Saturday evening.
Next Saturday? If you hold on, I'll just check. So, for how many people?
I need a table for 12. It's my husband's 30th birthday, so we're having a dinner to celebrate.
Conversation 2.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a gift for my sister. She's going to be 18 next week, so I thought a piece of jewelry would be nice.
Good idea. Do you have anything particular in mind? A necklace, perhaps?
She has so many necklaces. I was thinking of a pair of earrings, possibly.
Does she have a favorite color?
She likes blue.
Track 3. A.
The third.
B.
$10.50.
C.
The sixth.
D.
70.
E.
19.
F.
62.
G.
£110.
H.
The 27th.
Track 4.
I need a table for 12. It's my husband's 30th birthday, so we're having a dinner to celebrate.
So that's 12 people for the 16th.
No, it's the day after, the 17th. Saturday the 17th at 8 o'clock.
Ah, yes, of course. A party of 12 for the Saturday. Oh, I'm sorry, but I'm afraid our main restaurant is fully booked that evening. But we do have a small room available for private hire. It can seat up to 20 people, so there would be plenty of space for 12 of you.
That sounds perfect.
Track 5.
That sounds perfect.
Excellent. Now, we offer a set 3-course menu for £23 per person, and we can also supply you with a birthday cake at no extra charge. How does that sound?
That sounds good. So, how much would that cost in total?
Let me see. For the food and the room, that will come to £318.
Did you say £380?
No, 318.
Okay, I think I'd like to go ahead and make a booking.
Okay, I'll just take your details.
Track 6.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a gift for my sister. She's going to be 18 next week, so I thought a piece of jewelry would be nice.
Good idea. Do you have anything particular in mind? A necklace, perhaps?
She has so many necklaces. I was thinking of a pair of earrings, possibly.
Does she have a favorite color?
She likes blue.
What about this pair? They have some beautiful little blue stones.
They're quite nice, I suppose.
They're silver and they're handmade, so you won't find anything like them anywhere else.
Oh, really? So, how much are they?
Well, they were £30, but actually we've got a sale on at the moment, so they're a little cheaper, only £20. So you can save £10.
Great. I'll take them.
And would you like me to gift wrap them for you?
How much do you charge for that?
For £4, we give you a pretty box and your own choice of wrapping paper. Or for £5, you can have our luxury wrapping service, which includes a silver box and silver ribbon. And if you would like a card to write your own personal message, that will be £2 extra.
Well, it's a special birthday, so I'll take the luxury option. But I already have a card, thank you.
That's fine. I'll do that for you now. And how would you like to pay, cash or card?
Track 7.
Oh, really? So, how much are they?
Well, they were £30, but actually we've got a sale on at the moment, so they're a little cheaper, only £20. So you can save £10.
Track 8.
Hi there, Nam. You aren't still working on your history assignment, are you?
Hi, Victor. No, I'm taking a break. I'm looking at some photos, actually. A family celebration. Do you want to see them?
Oh. So, who's the cute baby in this picture here?
She's my niece, my brother's daughter. Her name's Tae-hee. She's 1 year old in this picture. It's a very important birthday in Korea. We call it Dol or Doljanchi. It's a very special celebration. In fact, I think it's probably more important than a wedding or a graduation. And we invite all our family and friends and sometimes our neighbors. Here's a picture of the restaurant where we celebrated Tae-hee's big day.
What a lovely place. And a beautiful garden, too.
Yes, it's a perfect location for taking photographs. Can you see me just there, next to the trees?
Ah, yes. I like your hat. And I like the red and silver hat Tae-hee's wearing, too. It's really pretty.
Yes, it's a traditional hat for a girl. Baby boys wear a different one, all black. It looks very serious.
That's a bit boring. Black and silver would be more interesting. What's Tae-hee wearing round her skirt?
Oh, that's a little purse. Boy babies wear this too. It's made of silk and it means good luck in our culture. And she's wearing a belt too. Look, do you see? The belt means she will have a long life.
Oh. And what's this on the table there? It's very colourful.
It's rice cakes.
I've never seen anything like that before. It looks like a rainbow.
We always eat rice cakes at a baby's party. There are usually 12 different types of them on the table. Look, this rice cake is completely orange in color, and this one here is bright green.
It looks like a vegetable.
Now look, this is me with my brother's wife, Micha. We get on really well together.
What are you holding?
Oh, it's a little bag. All the guests get a gift bag at the end of the party. And inside, there's a present from the baby's parents. It's really fun to open it because you don't know what you'll get. So it could be a candle or some chocolates. Guess what I got? You can see it in this next photo.
It looks like a box of tea. But shouldn't it be the other way round? The baby gets the presents.
Well, the baby receives money from the guests. So, in a way, you're right. And actually, I've got my present right here. So, why don't we open the box right now and have a cup of tea? Then, we can try to finish our assignments.
Sounds good to me.